You can still use knife and cut it. Just make sure you cut it tiny. It can be in circle form, it can be in slice form. And when this thing gets where my hand cannot cut again, I'm always watchful. When it gets where my hand cannot cut again, I keep it like that. I beg. My finger is more important than this thing. So it's dried but not crispy dry. I'll still bring it out tomorrow. This is around 4:30 p.m. at Lagos, Nigeria. The sun is already going out, so going down. So I'm taking it inside to bring it out again tomorrow. And it is time to grind our plantain into flour. I'm using this my grinder. It's small, but we're gonna use it like that. So just be grinding it little by little until I finish grinding it. And we will continue to grind it until we are done grinding all. And finally, we are grinding the last batch. Yay! And we have the last one. So this is what we got from that plantain. Here we have our plantain flour, very smooth. Alright, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.